Welcome to our comprehensive guide on disabling the automatic sharing of Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Let's walk you through the steps to turn off this feature. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings menu. Select Account Center from the options displayed. Then, tap on Sharing Across Profiles to manage your sharing settings. Choose your Instagram account from the list of profiles. Lastly, toggle the switch to turn off the option for Your Instagram Story. By following these steps, you can prevent Facebook from automatically sharing your posts to your Instagram story, allowing you to maintain separate and intentional storytelling on each platform. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in showing you how to disable automatic sharing of Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Customize your sharing preferences to create unique and engaging content tailored to each platform. Take control of your social media sharing today for a more personalized and authentic online presence.